One of the most annoying things when it comes to mixing is having background noise in your recording, and to make it worse, having a bad noise reduction plugin. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of the best noise reduction plugins, how to use it, and exactly where you can get it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Che. I make music production tutorials on YouTube on mixing and mastering. Consider subscribing, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Alright, so a lot of you might be wondering why I'm in Ableton Live today. This is basically because I just got the license for Ableton Live, and I'll be making a video about how I got the license. So just stay tuned and I'll show you. So this is me just trying to get familiar with the software. Alright, so let's get straight into it. This is the recording that I have, and it has a bit of background noise.
He's coming up now.
I'm sure you can tell there's a consistent noise in the background. You can hear all sorts of things. We're going to be using a plugin called BL Denoiser, which is one of the best noise reduction plugins I've ever come across, and it's completely free. So the first thing that I'll have to do is get the plugin and drop it on my channel, which is the same channel for the vocal. Let it be the first plugin in the chain so that you first get rid of the noise and then add other effects. So I have other plugins here, so I'll put it as the first plugin right here. Let me just zoom in, find a space where this background noise is. I think somewhere here where just the background noise. All right, so I'll split here, then I'll drag this to this side to make a loop. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it helps the channel a lot. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Alright, so once I've made the loop on the noise, then I'm good to go. So first of all, let me listen to this same noise to just make sure that this is the noise only without the vocal. So this is the noise which is consistent in this recording right here. And what I'm going to do is come to the plugin here and click Learn, and then just play the noise profile. So once you see that this orange line has stopped moving and it's consistent like that, you click on Learn. So now we've deactivated the Learn and it has given us a noise profile. So let's listen to this and push the threshold to see at a point where it goes quiet. You see, so at this point it goes completely almost completely quiet. So let's play and listen to what the vocal sounds like. So if we find that these settings that we found affect the vocal, then we need to reduce on the threshold and make sure that we find a sweet spot where the noise is out but the vocal still sounds as good as possible. I think that sounds great for me right there. Alright, so that's how it works. So you can come to the threshold and try to set a sweet spot to balance your vocals and the noise. Another thing that you can play around with here is the quality. So it starts with the first, so this is at the first, and the best here. So the more you push the quality here, the harder it is on your CPU. But from what I've seen, even at just the first one here, it's just fine. Alright guys, so I'll leave the link in the description. You can go and check it out, download, it's completely free. Download the plugin, install, and try it on your vocals. Comment in the comment section once you try it and let me know if at all this plugin is as good as I think. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at TheMg, on Facebook at TheMg Genius. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.